Good morning and welcome to another episode of Salty Mechanics, the channel where you get to see what it's like to live and breathe as a boat mechanic on the docks of Norway. In this episode we are talking about my work trailer and we are doing a little bit of work in a sailboat. So let's just watch the intro and get on with the episode. Alright. So now I'm actually in front of my trailer here in my department in Oslo, the capital of Norway, and I'm actually in one of the country's biggest harbors. And why on earth would I be working out of a trailer? Well, there's not too many buildings in this area where I can actually set up shop, and now this trailer has been stationary here for about 7 years, and for the first time my landlord called and said, "You have to move." And I was like, okay, well, that's too bad. I kind of like it here. And he was like, no, don't worry. It's just a couple of feet away, about 150 meters, because, you know, there's a lot of new things going on here now in the harbor and big trucks, you know, are coming in and out, and you are actually in the way. And I was like, okay, no problem. Let's just move it. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm here early to, you know, prepare everything, and then Rolf, my colleague, will show up later and we'll start this job. Alright, finally done with the move. So I wish I had time to go through the trailer and show you what it's like to work from this department here in Oslo, but there's no time really. I know that this only took 3-4 minutes for you guys moving this trailer, but for us it was a few hours. You know, the magic of editing. Now I have to go to Drøbak and start working on the sailboat, so let's just do that. So underneath the staircase we have a beautiful yanmar, and back there, way back in there, we have the sail drive and the parts we need to change. So when working in these boats, quite often you see a lot of beddings and stuff back here, and it's important to clear all of that. You can see how wide it is, so that you don't make anything dirty. So that's what I'm going to do now. So this right here is the part I'm going to change now. It's actually stuck. You can't open it or close it, and you're supposed to be able to do both, because here you actually have a lot of water coming through, and if you want to remove the hose or anything like that, you want to be able to close it. Now it's open all the time, so you can actually use the system as it is, but the customer, he wants me to change it so that he has something that is actually functional. So that's what I'm going to do, but as you can imagine and probably see, there's not a lot of room in here, so fitting a big tool on here is going to be difficult. There is no way I get enough power sitting from this side. I need to pull this wrench towards me, so I'm gonna have to go into the other room. And of course, we have to move all the beddings.
You're high-strung, babe. You're high-strung, babe. And a high-strung woman makes for a high-strung man. I go out at night for a drink or two. It seems somehow that bothers you. You're high-strung, babe. You're high-strung, babe. High-strung woman makes for a high-strung man.
Alright, this is the really hard part. I need to turn it around, even though it's getting really tough to turn it around. And I need this part to face the other way so that I can put the hose on right here. Oh my goodness Lord. And now, fitting this tool somewhere I can actually get some leverage again is really hard. But I'm gonna get it done. Alright, so I got this positioned just the way I want it, and now it's just about putting the hose back on, clean out everything, and then I guess I'm done with this job. Alright, that's it for this time. I am totally beat. time to just kick back and watch the sunset. It is beautiful. I'm gonna fly the drone so you can see what I'm talking about. See you next time. Bye. So I was just about to leave and, well, I see Paul working his ass off underneath the boat here, and I just wanted to share a couple of thoughts, because, you know, whenever you think you are the hardest working man or woman in the room, well, that's not always the case, is it? Just look left and right and you'll find somebody who has the audacity to work harder than you. I found a guy. So let's just end this episode on that hard-working note. Okay. I
found an upside to feeling down. Well, I took a good look around. There's stuff to be learned, folly to be turned, it seems. Yes, there is. You got to pay your dues before it's all cookies and cream.